Just confirm me on the chat if you're able to hear me. Great. So we can start the session. I think Nifty has kind of given us two trades. I have taken two trades basically. So one was basically on the L4 support which is it had taken. So that particular thing I have taken the trade. So we can start the session. I think there is some issue. Okay, so basically I had taken two trades. I'll just confirm you why I have taken these two trades. One was basically on the L4 when it had taken the support. The first candle itself was a little big and it had tried to break down and then it had kind of almost touched the target and then it has reversed. So this candle basically it was confirming that it is taking a support. So I had taken the trade there and then basically the other trade which was confirming here that it is not able to sustain the L3 level and it is also at the so if you look at these levels, yesterday's low and yesterday's close levels. So this is the level which we had kind of seen as a resistance, and there I had taken a one put entry, though it is a quick entry which I had tried, but as of now it is going in a different direction. So it is both the side it is trading right now. As of now we don't have a trade here. So it's basically a fight which is going on right now, and both the side, the 18,000 is they are trying to hold it. So we will wait for the confirmation. I think the best entry for the sell because overall global is negative and other things are negative. It would be either at the L4 breakdown. So our target will be 900 and above selling level we will have around CPR levels. So CPR if it is touching around 18,050 level, we will again take a short trade. So today actually that L3 buy is not there as of these levels, right? So L3 is something which I'm trying to not follow completely. So these basically these improvisations we will have to do it basis on the structure and the overall global view. As of now, if you look at it, yesterday we had a Virgin CPR. So this Virgin CPR is basically acting as a support. No, 18,050 is not a good trade. If you get any bounce and if you're getting cost to cost exit, probably you can exit it, because till that time, see, we have lots of resistances on the upside. So we will see some kind of resistance on the 18,000 level itself. So if you see here, the call writing is at 18,000. Even the put writing is shown as at 18,000. So we might see a sideways day, considering it is Friday, and so both the side trades will happen. So this one will give you clear picture what is exactly happening. Call and put writers both are exactly at the same level. One put writing which we are seeing at 17,900, which will act as a support, which is exactly our L5 level. So even if the breakdown comes, it will kind of take a support at that point. So Bank Nifty is basically again going towards the support, and Bank Nifty is looking much more negative, because Bank Nifty you can actually take a trade with L4 this thing SL, and just above the L4 around 41,400 will act as a as a resistance. So that 400 we will consider as a SL, and our target will be around 41,233 and 41,173. Now Nifty is trying to again regain L3, which is a good sign. However, if at all we are entering, also our entry should be above this level. If at all any candle closes above, and this will be very very quick scalping, because we might not see a big movement here, because we have a resistance around this point. Also, Bank Nifty is in a negative territory, so we have to be in a proper this thing so that we don't miss out on unnecessary things. So overall, it looks like 18,000, around 18,000 only. It will kind of play around. We are not getting any big trade as of now. So exactly previous day low, it is kind of resisting right now. Below we have a Virgin CPR. Yesterday Virgin CPR played exactly as per our expectation, and Virgin CPR was not broken, though it was touched and middle line was kind of taken into this thing, but so it looks like basically a straddle at 18,000. Both the side positions are built. Full day they might eat the premium both the side. So we have to be very, very careful. So in this kind of market, if you are trading, I don't think so we will earn anything. It's better to wait for the right direction. So if you look at it, L4 break, and if our SL is above L3, the first SL is broken. That improvisation is something which I just spoke about. So the similar kind of thing which we have to try and work around. Because otherwise, if we are following exactly as it is, then we may not get the right directions, right? As of now, if you look at the structure, it is telling us that there are higher lows which are forming. We also have a hammer on the below thing, which is kind of getting respected as of now. But I am not seeing any trade as of now. So Bank Nifty is again trying to go down. As I mentioned, 400 will act as a resistance right now. So Bank Nifty ideally should touch our lower levels. So if at all anybody taken the Bank Nifty trade, I think you can wait for the target of 41,233. So now Bank Nifty is going towards our target. So let's see how fast it can go. We still have 100 points to go. So it's like a sandwich right now between yesterday's CPR and today's CPR. So it will play between these ranges. Okay, so Bank Nifty has kind of gone towards for 41,300. Bank Nifty is again trying to take a support at these levels. So 300, once it is broken, I think you will get a faster movement because those places some put writers are sitting. So it's a similar kind of setup, right? Yesterday, 18,100, which was acting as a resistance. After that, it has kind of, come down in the last few minutes, and not sure how many would have traded on the, the put side in the last few minutes. So again, Virgin CPR, it is taking the support. So these are our levels. It is a very small range right now, and the Virgin CPR is very very big. So I don't think so. We have much of trade here. So even though we are if we stay with call side, I think it would be risky because considering Virgin CPR and all these things, because our premiums are going down, because our VIX is down. So Bank Nifty is going very very slow. It is still yet to go towards our target. But we will hold it with that 400 ka SL, 410, 415, that would be our SL. So Nifty is trying to again regain that L3. So I don't know how many of you would have seen this video of yesterday's VWAP. Also, I had uploaded earlier one video about yesterday's anchor VWAP. Okay, so basically we are considering yesterday's last candle, and that is where I have plotted this this VWAP. Excuse me. So if you look at this yesterday's VWAP, the market is basically playing around these levels only. So right now it is regained and it is holding on these levels. But again, 18,000 till the time it is not clearly holded back, I think we don't have a long trade as of now. Risky people still can take a buy reversal trade, which is at 18,000, and stop loss will be 962, which is your L4. So Bank Nifty is also very slow. I think only scalping is working today with a small 5 points, 10 points target. But Bank Nifty ideally has to go down as per our expectation, whatever we have done the analysis, and it has to achieve at least. So at least my target would be this level which I had given, which is 41,233 and 250 to 230. That is the range ideally. It has to once it has to touch. So again L3, it is holding back. It is trying to go above that level, but clearly it is suggesting that there are some sellers who are trying to take it down. Somebody is trying to hold it above 18,000. So as I mentioned, L3, if at all we are taking the trade, our target will be 18,040, 18,045. That's the target. The only problem what we have right now is yesterday's high, yesterday's close and yesterday's low. That is a resistance which has been played. So I would avoid this trade. I hope this live trading is helping you in some other way. It is kind of keeping you in a right direction, because altogether if we are trading, we would have a different view. And most of the times what happens is, even if you would have bought it at L3, ideally your SL would have been at L4. But looking at the premiums both the side, we might have a challenge getting this. Good, it is helping Sheikh. It is some or other way. It is helping me as well, because we all together as a community we can, kind of share with each other, and we can work around different things. You can also share your points, your views, your trades, so that we can also discuss these things. Also, you can share this live videos with your friends or family, so that we have more bigger community who can earn money from the stock market. Especially people who are trading with Nifty, Bank Nifty, and other things. See, still there is no change in the OI. We are still seeing both the side levels are almost similar, and only the support is on a higher side. So the put writers are still stronger, so which suggests that the downside will be still limited. Somebody is still trying to hold the down levels. So when you are looking at the option chain, you also have a feature here which talks about the Greeks, which you can use it for your trading, and you can always observe these IVs on the both the sides, right? So IVs will give you a kind of a good view on the market. So it is around L3. I would take a small trade on L3 on a long side, which is a call side. Very, very small quantity because for the upside, I'm not very confident as of now. But as of now, it is holding this L3 level, so which is a good sign. Also, the put writers on the So when you're looking at this I4 option, you will also get, these, long built up and short built up and all those things. So basically it is still telling you that, okay, short built ups are happening on a put side, long built up is happening. But this logic may be right, may not be right, because the long built up, whatever it suggests, the basic calculation, what it does is, it will see the premium and it will see the OI. So basically, whenever the premiums are increasing and the OI is also increasing, it will consider as a long built up. Okay, so it is taking a resistance again at 18,000. Below the VWAP, I will not hold the trade. I will hold the trade till the VWAP, because again L3 it is acting as a resistance. Now Bank Nifty is trying to give us again the downside move. So as of now, if you look at it, yesterday's VWAP which we plotted, exactly on the similar levels it is holding and it is sustaining. So considering L3 buy reversal trade and the VWAP, this combination is telling me it has a long trade. I'll hold it just below this level. So this will be my level to hold this trade. So let's see how it works. So premium movement is still very very slow, uh, and even the markets are very very slow. So we have to be very very careful what trades we are taking. We have to reduce our quantity today because the momentum is very very slow. Whatever momentum had to come in the first few minutes, I think we have got that momentum. So now again it is coming below this level. So yesterday's low is acting as a resistance again. But below we have a support of a VWAP and Virgin CPR. So I will still hold the trade. Bank Nifty exactly resisting at that 400 level. So 400 call writing is going on. So if at all the move comes here, it will be very very quick. Uh, Probably it will take out all the short SLs. So it will take out the move of this will take the high high of the day. It might take out. So look at today's VWAP, whatever it opened. So the candle sustained above that L4, as well as the level of the VWAP where it is opened. So from there it is still positive only. It has given one break as of now, but which did not sustain. Ideally, L3 and L4 are the levels which will be like no trade zones. We will stay with a long trade only as per the setup. So now for this up move, I think we need support from Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, I think if at all it is a short trade, whatever we have taken, then this 415 will be a critical level. If at all that is breaking, we will have to exit the trade. For Nifty, we are still long. We are still holding the longs because it is above the VWAP and at the L3 level. So one bounce towards the CPR we supposed to get. So this is very simple. On the anchor VWAP is available on TradingView, and it's a free of cost this thing. So the first tab what you get If you click on that, the arrow button, you will get these options at the anchored VWAP levels. Now Bank Nifty is creating a pressure at that L3 level. So 18,000 looks like getting restricted for the upside. So I would just wait for this VWAP thing to break, and then I will exit my trade. So sometimes you will have to filter out your trades, right? What trade exactly you want to take, and whatever this move will come now, it will be very very quick. So you have to be quick with booking the profits. So the fight is still on. 18,000. Uh, which one days range you are seeing? Because I'm not able to see any days range. This is basically Cambrilla indicator, so you can just see this indicator. You can just plot it on the trading view. It's a free of cost indicator. So Bank Nifty has given a breakdown again. So we are seeing 300 is getting almost broken. Yes. So we are exiting the trade here around this VWAP level. So if you are on a Bank Nifty, I think you will get your targets soon. So if this candle is closing below this VWAP, I will exit my trade. Yes, so Bank Nifty has given, and also this candle is almost closing below this, so I'm exiting my trade. And we are seeing the Bank Nifty is going towards our target now. So it is already at 273. 250 is some safe target, 250 to 230 levels. It's a very sharp movements which are happening. 272 is what we saw, and after that immediately we have seen 320. So it's a very very quick momentum. So our SL is hit here. So we are out of this call trade. We are not taking any put trade as of now. So now exactly that VWAP will act as a resistance here. So Bank Nifty has kind of given a very sharp move. So if at all anybody has booked the profit at 370 to 360 kind of levels, I think no. So the day range is basically just ignore that because it's showing you the what is the range for the day, what the highs and lows are there, which is a trading views feature. So you can ignore this particular thing. So again, Bank Nifty is going below 300. It's going towards our target 233, 250 is the target. We have to see that. But only problem here is if at all that quick momentum of 50 points or 60 points, if you would have got it, I think we should book it because the trouble what happens here is your premiums will not come back, even though market is going in the similar direction. So today, Reliance is also not supporting. HDFC and ICICI banks are also in negative. Also, the IT is in a negative territory. So if you look at Bank Nifty lows, Bank Nifty had gone almost till 263. Very sharp candle. So whatever this up move is coming, it's only to adjust the premiums. So exactly our VWAPs are acting as a resistance, but no short trade here. So some or other way, Bank Nifty is trying to hold above 300. Let's see how long it holds. So let's hope Bank Nifty gives the target now. So it's at 283 now. So again, Nifty is showing much more resilient to the downward swing. However, Bank Nifty is looking very, very weak, considering HDFC Bank and Bank both are in negative. So if you look at now also the candles which are showing Bank Nifty is showing weakness and the Nifty is showing a strength. Now Reliance is turning into red. So let's see if the Reliance creates a pressure now. Exactly that VWAP levels, if you observe how it is resisting right now. So Bank Nifty has gone to 278 now, 276. Nifty is also giving up the things, and even Reliance is turning negative. TCS is in a 1% down, so we can see the small, short side swing. So Bank Nifty is at 273, 268. I think we will get the target 264 is the thing which is achieved. So Bank Nifty has kind of almost achieved the target. So this is where the anchored VWAP can actually help you to take the certain trades. Once it was broken below that level, we decided not to go long and we closed our long trade there itself. Till the time it was holding above that particular thing, we were holding our trade because it was at L3. So now Bank Nifty has gone to 257. I think the good place to book the profits. So we've got almost 100 points there, more than 100 points. Nifty is still resilient if you look at it. It is not able to break the earlier lows. Because it's a very slow momentum, we are not able to kind of, get any premiums out of it, even though the market moves in your direction. So you have to be very, very careful with that. Sometimes waiting is better, thing to take any trade rather than investing something and then not getting the returns out of it. See, below VWAP, it is clear, it is giving us that sell signal. But again, if you look at it, the earlier lows are not getting broken. Also, it is very, very close to our buy reversal zone. So, so I think Bank Nifty has kind of, taken a support at our levels, and the 258 is what I told you. Also, you need to understand here now when L3 is basically as per Frank Oshua and the other concepts which are given. It always talks about L3 is your, the responsible buyers are coming in, right? So if you look at responsible buyers at this particular place, they are still not coming in. That they have attempted to come, but some or other way it is getting, restricted. The upside is getting restricted. So it is very clearly telling you Even if you're not seeing the data or anything, it is basically telling you that there is a high possibility that the sellers will rule this market right now. It's not the buyers. So the multiple attempts happens at these L3 levels and all those things, right? It will clearly give you an overall view of what is happening in the market. So again, Reliance is trying to hold the Nifty. But look at our VWAP levels now. You will realize why we are talking about these VWAPs. Global is also in negative. US markets are in a negative territory only. From yesterday's fall, again, it is around Dow is down by 92 points. So it's not a good sign. So if you're following a one simple formula like Camarilla and all those things, sometimes you might get SLs, but we can just filter it out with these kind of things. How do we kind of take certain trades? See, not all L3. Like yesterday, we were also talking about a similar thing, right? At H3, we were not selling. So there you would have seen the SL hunting happened, and then second half the market came down again. Similar ways, today's L3 we are still not buying because we are seeing some resistances. Only thing is below that Virgin CPR of yesterday is acting as a support right now, but we might see second half some kind of big momentum because Nifty holding below 18,000 is not a good sign right now. So Bank Nifty is again going towards 270 levels. So see, bullish doji, bullish hammer, and all these things, right? If you understand these concepts on a price action, what happens is basically if you consider, there was a doji here at these levels, right? So we need to understand important levels first, and then we have to use these candlestick patterns, right? So if you look at this particular place, we have seen one candle which is taking support, and basically this was a doji. This was not exactly hammer, but it was a doji. Now doji, what has happened is as soon as the high is broken of this level, what has happened, Nifty has gone up, and then if you look at here, there was one small hammer which was formed. From there it has fallen. So these hammer dojis, all these things can work really great in case if we are able to use it at the right time, rather than just using it blindly. Now here also you had a doji, but the level whatever we are seeing, it is it is kind of not respected. So now look at what is happening. Our VWAP levels. So now we have a strong candle coming in. So this triangle is broken basically, and we are seeing a very very strong candle. So again, that 18,000 is regained. So as soon as our VWAP levels are broken, if you see the momentum which has come. Now if you look at this trend line is also been broken, and we can expect one sharp movement on the upside. But look at the volumes with this candle. Now volume is not there. There are no volumes. There are no volumes with this breakout. There's hardly any volumes. So this is not gonna sustain. See where exactly the candle is coming, exactly below these VWAP levels again. See how it has trapped. See how the volumes are picking up. When it was going up, the volume picking up was hardly anything. But now when the selling is coming, we are seeing higher volumes. So now Bank Nifty has kind of gone towards our target almost. This breakdown could be very big if at all that happens, and our trend lines are broken. Because it has picked up the volume when it was going up. So somebody has basically shorted at these levels again. So look at our VWAP levels again. It is trying to hold these levels only. Till the time it is holding below our levels of VWAP, it would not be a buy. So we are seeing very sharp candle now. Now Bank Nifty has gone towards the target, exactly achieved our target. So look at how the candles are actually playing around. It has kind of given a breakdown. After that, again, it is reversing. But definitely at these levels, somebody has done a big shorting, which is confirmed by the volumes. So we have to be on the selling side only as of now. See, whenever there is a buying candle which is coming in, look at the volumes. Even though the candles are big, your volumes are very, very less. When it is going down, that is a time there is a volume increasing. So, if you observe these particular things, you will get a very big view of the market. So, don't get trapped with one small moves here and there. See, now these volumes were lesser. As soon as it starts going down, the volumes are increasing. So exactly Bank Nifty has achieved the target, which is 233. See, the volumes are still not picked up. It is a breakdown from the triangle. So we can expect one move towards L4 at least. Bank Nifty has already kind of gone towards the low. Still below our VWAP. So as per option chain also it is clearly telling us that 900 is a support. So once at least it has to touch this 900 level, 17,900. Still candles are negative only. Just consolidating after breaking out from the triangle. So can expect one sharp selling. Though we are not taking any trades here as of now. We will wait for the L4 to break. Just testing the trend line. Still below our VWAP only. So as of now, no opportunity still. Just a premium erosion thing which is going on both the sides. Now we are seeing some volumes. So whatever moves are coming, there is some volume which is getting added. But let's see the earlier volume, whatever was traded, whether that will be taken out. So Bank Nifty exactly achieved a target and reversed. See again, immediately it is reversing from the same levels, so it is just trapping the buyers. So now Reliance is trying to hold again Nifty, but Bank Nifty is going down. So the overall thing, it is still negative only. So now Reliance can play a big role here if at all Nifty has to go up from here. Now look at how this VWAP thing they are trying to hold above that level. Now again it has gone below this. So they are trying to hold above this VWAP level. So again one more negative candle is expected to come here. So we should not get trapped into these up moves which are coming in. That is what we have to keep on watching these levels. So slowly Nifty is going, far from 18,000 levels, clearly suggesting that we would see more, downtrend coming in. See again, as expected, down move. So now, if this swing is broken, then we will see much bigger move coming in. Otherwise, looks like it will play in this range only. Now, this swing is very, very important because it is acting as a support from morning. Look at how these VWAP levels are playing. It is very, very clearly telling you that it is a downtrend is only there. Upside move is limited as of now. But we need to still wait for the confirmation. Again, up move without any volumes. Watch out for Reliance here now. So option writers are nicely playing around with the same levels, 18,000. So now Reliance is holding on these levels. Look at how the fight is going on at that exactly the VWAP levels. So now again we are seeing the sharp candle. Now Bank Nifty has given a very big candle, so you have to watch out for that. So now this confirms the range is broken on the downside. Now, if at all it breaks L4, we will take the short entry. Now we can expect one sharp fall. Yes, if you observe this volume thing, right, you will observe one thing, that whatever up moves are coming in versus your down moves. So, uh, The momentum, basically it will give you very good thing. Now it is going towards L3, sorry, L4 breakout. So now in the live market, you have observed how these VWAP levels are working. Just a combination of both can actually help you in a much bigger way. Now look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is almost achieved our second target also, which we had spoken about, 173. It is trading below almost 200. 200 is also a good support. As of now, if at all today this breakdown is happening, we can expect sharp selling next week as well. Guys, I'll take 5 minutes break and then I'll come back. Till that time, just watch out if at all L4 is broken, you can take the trade. The candle has to close below L4. That you have to remember. Okay, friends, so I'm back, and we have got a confirmation on downside more. So our range was broken, and we have seen how this is kind of falling. So Bank Nifty has achieved all the targets. Hope you have taken the trade there on Bank Nifty. So now can Nifty touch our target 919901? So 946, 945 is achieved as of now. Hope you are enjoying this trade now. 943, 942, and Bank Nifty is beyond our targets. So 939. So the option premiums are not moving as whatever we are, seeing the momentum. Option premiums are still kind of going in other direction. The only worry is Bank Nifty is kind of almost achieved the targets, so it is an oversold situation. So which we can expect, a reversal on Nifty as well. So now this exactly the Virgin CPR is kind of touched on the lower side and now it is forming a hammer candle. So better be careful on your put side because anyways we are losing the premiums on these sides. So if you would have seen the VWAP fun here and with the volume confirmation, you would have got a very good trade even before L4 was broken, right? So Virgin CPR low is kind of tested and now it is again forming a hammer candle. So better be careful with your shorts. You might see a buying reversal coming in from here. Now that hammer candle high is broken, so can be a long entry again. So, but we will wait for L4 to kind of regained again. So for an option trader, it is all about booking it quickly because we can't expect 100% targets will achieve in these kind of markets. See how the strong candle has come. But whatever this candle is coming up with, it has no volumes. So even though if we are trying to take a long entry also here, which may not kind of serve the purpose right now. See again, no volumes in the upside candle. Let the volumes pick up. No volumes yet. Hope you are now understanding the kind of trades, how we are taking certain trades. See, volume is just picked up now, but when it is coming down, so that observation also you'll have to have it. When the candle is coming down, that is the time volume is picking up. So basically, somebody is still shorting it, and Bank Nifty is still down only. So now Virgin CPR high and lows are both are broken. So it is kind of now invalid for us. So when you are looking at the candles as well, you have to see the volumes, whether the volume is increasing when it is going up, or whether the volumes are increasing when it is coming down. Now this candle is a live example. People will only look at the volume with the after the candle is closed, but you need to see the volumes when it is increasing, when it is decreasing, right? Bank Nifty is actually broken a very important level. So looks like Bank Nifty will lead the further fall. So today even Reliance is not able to fire, which is a bad sign. See now look at this particular thing. Though the hammer was formed, we did not get a volume confirmation in the second candle. Only we saw the volumes were coming down in the initial phase when the candles was going up, and then when we had seen the candle was falling, that is a time we have seen the volumes increasing. Excuse me. So we avoided that trade there, even if we wanted to go long or whatever it is. See, in a smaller range today, actually, if you look at it, it's a very small range. But if you would have picked up these things, probably you would have made very good money till now. Now again there is a hammer on the L4 level, which is a shooting star basically. So we can still expect, our targets are coming. See, if you look at it, the 18,000 is still the level. Now we need to understand whether these are put writers or put buyers, because call writing is for sure it is happening considering the volumes, the movement on the charts. But this looks like now whatever this put buying, it looks like right now. So if these guys are put writers, then definitely we will see swing again towards 18,000 in the second half. So how many of you are in green? How many of you have made money till now? Very slow momentum. Great, Satish. So you are still in some profit. So my morning two trades actually gave a decent profit. After that, I took one entry uh, at a VWAP level again in the short side when we saw that volumes were not picking up and the triangle was there. So that I was holding it till now. I just booked it just recently. Considering the momentum is not there, considering Friday factor. Also, Bank Nifty is kind of almost achieved, so you have to be very, very careful with those levels. 41,000 is a very very critical level now on Bank Nifty. If at all we don't see that is getting holded, then we might see a bigger correction coming in. So as soon as 18,100 was achieved, almost I think all retailers jumped into the market saying, thinking that markets are again reversing and we are seeing the bull rally again and all that things. However, now we are not seeing that thing again. All retailers got trapped here, I guess. So now look at this candle where the volumes are already picking up at the starting only, and the candle is turning green. Though it is not a big volume, but yeah, it is still. See, look at the fun again. Candle is strong, green, volumes are not there. So look at this yesterday's Virgin CPR. See how exactly market is playing within this Virgin CPR now. And this is where Virgin CPR plays a very very big role. Yesterday also, if you would have seen, there was a Virgin CPR which exactly it resisted and it came down. Today also Virgin CPR, and it is holding on those levels. Yes, Bank Nifty is on a critical support, and also it has achieved the target, so it is an oversold kind of territory. So we can expect one bounce. So as soon as L5 is still kind of holding these levels, uh, we can expect one upside move, but it has to kind of, it has to again regain 41,233. Only after this we can expect one rally towards 41,380 levels. Now, even though Nifty is going towards our target, premiums are still kind of not in a sync. The put premium is still hovering around, so maybe we can see a sharp. Now look at the daily candles also. Daily candles also confirming that this up move had come. After that, this is like a island reversal kind of thing. And now again we are seeing it has opened below this only and it has started coming down. So we can expect one move towards 17,722 kind of levels. Now today's closing will be important. Now this was budget day candle, which we are seeing again. There was a false breakout here, and now it is kind of reversing. So now again Nifty started falling. So let's hope we get our targets. So this is the thing which we were observing. So this was the kind of channel which we had on the downtrend, and now it has given a breakout. It is reversing. It is kind of retesting these levels. So this 900 level will be very, very critical. If at all it holds, then I think we can expect the upside move. However, as of now, if at all it re-enters, then we are seeing the move almost towards the low of this channel. But look at today's thing, which is whatever the fall is coming in, the volumes are lesser. The fall is coming, but the volumes are lesser. So now Nifty is at 930, almost achieving our targets. So now, as I told you, Virgin CPR thing is over because it has tested both the sides. Now it is going towards our Cambrilla targets. So now Bank Nifty has kind of given complete breakdown. So Bank Nifty is at 41,054 now. So Bank Nifty, anybody would have holded this put, I think would have given a very good money. So 926 is 925 is achieved now. So 923 is achieved. 919 is our target. So now Bank Nifty has given a breakdown today. So looks like whatever leading factor will be Bank Nifty only. So 41,000 we still need to wait for the day end. So 920, 918. Okay, the first target is done for Nifty. Now we are seeing sharp selling because Bank Nifty has kind of broken 41,000. So whoever has taken the put can book it here. Because this margin is only 18 points which is there, and also Bank Nifty is kind of at a critical support. So we have already got 912 almost. So Bank Nifty has almost given us 350 points. Again, green candle without volume. Hope you guys made good money today on Bank Nifty as well as Nifty, because both has achieved the targets. We have got very clear things today. So here currently there are no trades. We should not trade anything at this point. Now whatever selling side, whatever we had to achieve, I think we have achieved it already. So Bank Nifty has broken the 41,000 and it is kind of trading below that 41,000, which looks like very, very negative. It has also broken the earlier trends. Uh, so it is not a very good sign right now. See, now look at these ranges. So basically today Bank Nifty has given us this breakdown. It's a very, very negative thing, and we can expect, around 40,523 and 39,500. So which we can see another 500 points correction. So after long, consolidation, it has given us a breakdown. So definitely this trend will continue now. So whatever we are seeing, maybe tomorrow or maybe Monday as well, next week, we have to concentrate or focus on the selling side itself. Especially on Bank Nifty. Nifty is still in a range. So Bank Nifty has not holded any levels as of now. So looks like one sharp selling is coming. So Nifty is kind of hovering around our targets only. Now, anyways, there is no trade after this particular place. Only if at all it is breaking 8 899 898 levels, then we might see much bigger fall, which could go up till 18,000, sorry, 17,829. So Bank Nifty has, I think, given us 400 points now from our selling levels. Yeah, 17,901, that is the level which we are looking at. 900 has a good put rating as of now. So we will have to see. But a Bank Nifty kind of pressure which is created right now looks like we might see more selling. Now Bank Nifty has kind of reached L6 level. So we can expect one reversal on Bank Nifty. So if you are carrying any shorts on Bank Nifty, you can book it for time being, because this is an extreme oversold level and we can expect one bounce from here at least till 41,141. So here I will not short anything right now. I would look out for buying opportunities. I'm expecting one big reversal here. See, as I mentioned, exactly from that level, if you would have seen Bank Nifty has reversed almost 50 points almost now. L6 is a very, very critical level in case if you are trading on Cambrilla. So again regained 41,000. Also Nifty has bounced. So now people who are watching you would know that how much data we have seen. We have not seen much of data, right? Again, we are only believing on our charts. What are the levels which are there and how we are, kind of understanding the market. Basic data is more than enough for you to know. So Bank Nifty is almost 100 points from our levels. Not just the consolidation which will happen now. We don't expect anything because it's a Friday mood also. So I think you should just respect those things. Okay, guys, I think we would not see much of momentum now. I hope whatever session we had till now has kind of helped you in some or other way, and you have been able to make some money. Like I mentioned, do share it with your friends and family and other things. Do like this video so that we get more viewership on this. And anything, any feedbacks or anything is there, do let me know. Probably we'll end the session right now. We will connect it on Monday. Thank you, guys.